In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a P2P sell order on Binance. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you can manage your orders effectively. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trade section located on the main menu. From there, select the P2P trading option. After selecting P2P trading, tap on orders to view all your active buy and sell orders. It is important to locate the specific sell order you wish to cancel. Ensure that the payment for this order has not been confirmed yet, as this will affect your ability to cancel. Next, once you've identified the sell order, tap on it to open the order details. In this view, you will see various options related to the order. Look for the cancel order action and tap on it. Binance may prompt you to select a reason for the cancellation. Choose the reason that best fits your situation and proceed to confirm the cancellation. If the buyer has already marked the order as paid, you will not have the option to cancel directly. So be mindful of this condition. After selecting the cancellation option, you may be required to complete a security verification step. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish this verification process. Once you have successfully cancelled the order, the cryptocurrency associated with that order will return to your funding wallet automatically. It is crucial to confirm that the cancellation was successful. To verify the status of your cancellation, navigate back to the P2P section and check your order history. Look for the specific order you cancelled and ensure that its status now shows as cancelled. This confirmation is important to ensure that the order has been properly processed and that your funds are available for future transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.